Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am presenting my representation on the topic of minimization potential hazards of materials and finishes for the buildings.
Space.
Importance of material selection. Material selection is a pivotal factor in the success of any engineering, manufacturing, or construction endeavor. The choice of materials directly influences the performance, durability, and overall functionality of a product or structure. The selected materials must meet specific functional requirements, ensuring that they can withstand environmental conditions, stress, and wear and tear. Additionally, materials selections has significant implications for cost efficiency as the choice of materials can impact the overall project budget. And the third one is common hazards, materials and finishes. Absolutes. It can be found in building material like insulation, roofing, and flooring. And the second point is health hazards include lung diseases such as acidosis and mesothelioma. And next one is lead. It can be present in lead-based paints, pipes, and certain batteries. Lead exposure can lead to developmental issues, especially in the children. And the next one is mercury. It can be found in the fluorescent lights, thermometers, and some other electric devices. Mercury exposure can harm the nervous system and have environmental consequences. And the next one is the potential hazards posed by unsafe materials and finishes. First, health risk, respiratory issues. Many unsafe materials release volatile organic compounds and other airborne pollutants, contributing to respiratory problems and aggravating conditions like asthma. Cancer risk. Exposure to certain hazardous materials such as acidotes, lead, and formaldehyde has been linked to an risk of cancer. Neurological effects. Some substances like lead and mercury can affect the nervous system, leading to developmental issues, especially in the children. Environmental contamination, air pollution. It can be released from paints, solvents, and finishes contributes to air pollution, impacting both indoor and outdoor air quality. Water pollution. Improper disposal of hazardous materials can lead to water contamination affecting ecosystems and potentially enter the drinking water supply. New Zealand regulations and standards governing materials safety in construction. WorkSafe New Zealand. WorkSafe is the primary regulatory agency responsible for ensuring health and safety in workplace, including the construction industry. WorkSafe enforces the health, health and Safety at Work 2015, which outlines the legal responsibilities of employers and employees to ensure a safe work environment. Building Code. The New Zealand Building Code is a set of regulations that sets the standards for building to ensure durability, safety, and fitness for the purpose. The building code is administered by the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment. Standards New Zealand. Standards New Zealand develops and publishes standards that are used to ensure the quality and safety materials, products and process. Standards related to construction materials and safety may cover aspects such as material specifications, testing and many others. And the next one is steps for assessing material hazards. Identifying materials. Create an inventory of all the materials used in particular process, product or project. This include raw materials, substances used in manufacturing and finishes the products. Gather information. Collect detailed information about each material, including its chemical composition, physical properties, potential hazards, and safety data sheets provided by the manufacturers. Regulatory compliance. Check for the understand relevant local, national, and international regulations governing the use, storage, and disposal of specific materials. Sure compliance with the regulatory requirements. And the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, a holistic approach to material safety from selection to hazard assessment to regulatory compliance is essential for fostering safe and sustainable practices in construction. By prioritizing material safety, organizations contribute to the well-being of their workers, protect the environment, and uphold the integrity of their projects. This commitment is not only ensures immediate safety but also lays the foundation for a resilient and responsible future in construction practices.
What's the time?
Thank you.
6:55 कर दो स्टॉप.
No, I'll just ask the question because you repeated it again, but it's the same.
थोड़ी पीछे चला जा
So,
बस.
why this slide is not fully visible? What is the reason behind it?
Because
Can you go to the previous slide? You said about the neurological effects like the lead, mercury, cholesterol. So how are the lead and mercury used in the finishes, materials and finishes?
Lead and-
in which form, in which composition? Where we find these kind of stuff?
Lead and
Lead, mercury, what are you saying here?
lead mercury है नहीं है
ਉਹ ਦਿਖਾ ਨਿਊਰੋਲੋਜੀਕਲ ਇਫੈਕਟਸ
Neurological effects.
ਪੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ.
Some substances like lead and mercury can affect the nervous system, leading to cognitive and developmental issues, especially in the children.
Thank you. Because I have already asked you. So you can stop
बंद कर दे
recording
भाई
after
इसने.
that.